It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: 8 common injuries in dogs, symptoms, treatment, and how to prevent. A world without injured dogs would be fantastic, but unfortunately, it isn't a reality. Our dogs are susceptible to injuries from exercise, play, accidents, and overexploration. Today, we're going to talk about some common dog injuries, not to scare you, but to inform you and help you keep your dog healthy and safe. The injuries we'll cover are: 1. Insect bites and stings. Insect and bee stings can cause allergic reactions in dogs, and this can be dangerous, especially if the sting occurs near the eye or in the mouth. Symptoms: rubbing or scratching at an area, swelling, raised bumps, and difficulty breathing in severe cases. Treatments: depending on the location and severity, treatment can range from cold compresses to topical ointments, antihistamines, and intravenous treatment. Prevention: use a natural insect repellent, specifically for dogs, if you can't keep your dog out of areas with a lot of insects. 2. Lacerations and puncture wounds. Rough play, dog bites, and harsh environments can lead to cuts and scrapes. Symptoms: bleeding, possible swelling, and the dog licking an area. Treatments: antibiotics and stitches for serious wounds, rest, and preventing the dog from licking the affected area. Prevention: assess any new environment to make sure there are no sharp or rough areas before letting your dog explore. 3. Muscle and joint injuries. Dogs can suffer muscle strains and joint injuries from overexertion, rough play, and excessive jumping. Symptoms: the most common symptom is limping, but your dog may also become withdrawn or lethargic due to pain. Treatments: for mild sprains, your dog will likely only need to rest for a couple of weeks. However, for more serious injuries, your vet may immobilize the area or even require corrective surgery. Prevention: make sure your dog gets plenty of regular exercise and a balanced diet to strengthen his muscles and joints. Keep a close eye on his play, ensuring he doesn't become too rough or run or jump on surfaces where he shouldn't. 4. Ingestion of foreign body. Dogs explore with their mouths and are tempted by new smells, leading them to chew and swallow things they shouldn't. Symptoms: choking, vomiting, loss of appetite, lethargy, stomach distension. Treatments: depending on the object and the time elapsed since ingestion, you may need to wait for him to expel it, ask a vet to induce vomiting, or, if it causes an obstruction, require surgery to remove it. Prevention: offer your dog plenty of opportunities to chew productively with dog chews. 5. Eye injuries. Dogs get close to many other animals, plants, furniture, and other objects, leaving them susceptible to injuries ranging from scratches to corneal ulcers or complete ruptures. Symptoms: eye discharge and watering, squinting, redness, bulging, and swelling. Treatment: depending on the severity of the injury, treatment may range from rest to medicated drops or eye protection. Eye injuries can worsen quickly, so be sure to have your dog checked out. Prevention: eye injuries are difficult to prevent because dogs' gaze is always directed at everything. The best thing you can do is monitor your surroundings for potential hazards. 6. Broken nails. When their nails are too long, it can cause them to slip or trip, breaking or tearing the nail. Symptoms: broken nail, bleeding in the nail area. Treatments: if you can't stop the bleeding, contact your veterinarian. You may need to bandage the area to stop the bleeding or trim the nail to prevent it from breaking again. Prevention: regular nail trims. 7. Traffic accidents. One of the biggest fears of dog owners is their pet being hit by a car or being in a car accident. Symptoms: external injuries may present with bleeding, swelling, limping, etc., while internal injuries can cause loss of consciousness, difficulty breathing, vomiting, and more. Treatments: stabilize any visible injuries by wrapping them in a cloth or towel and take your dog for emergency treatment. Prevention: keep your dog on a leash or within a fenced area whenever possible. Also, keep your dog securely restrained in the car seat when riding as a passenger. While injuries can be frightening, acting quickly and proactively can help your dog recover. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.